Hello, it's Monday. I haven't done any videos for a while of the dove, so I thought I'd show you what I've done a little bit. Actually got some time to work on it now that all the orders are finally done for everything. Nice. Oh, anyway, so here we go. I'll show you the dove and see what you think. The back end of this model has always been the most annoying for me on this particular design. The other one was pretty simple and boring on the original design. So I tried to come up with something better. So this is kind of the first idea of the ship. What I did here, I didn't like this area here though. The engines are still the same, which I'll show you here. But after building it a little bit, I didn't like it at all. So I decided to redraw a little bit and go with something more like this. You know, very simple in the back here. The bottom view, where's that drawing? This is, and then did a drawing. This is kind of how it'll look. I tried a lot of different things, like putting a little angle right here, you know, and I didn't like it. I thought just straight down is fine. Just go straight down, little drop. Because mixing organic with angles, you know, I kind of want to do things like that. This is a little more interesting of an idea for the back, I think. There'll be a piece that fits in here and goes below this and hangs straight down, like a paddle or some part. This is the bottom. Finally got the way it looked. This is the way it started to look. And this is the way it's going to look now. As you can see, I really did not like the way it was coming out. So this way is going to be much better. This little section comes out here. And then the engine, of course, which is right here, which I used a Ghost engine, the smaller one, and widened it out, and I'm detailing it still. And that'll fit under here, two of them, like so. And I'll turn it around so you can see it better. Let's see. There we go. One on either side. Yeah, the engines will set like this. There'll be more engine that goes underneath this cover here. This is kind of the start of it, just this block, you know, which this will attach to. Well, obviously I'll cut it to fit. And this will be sticking out of that. So I had to cut these holes out here to have some of the engine stick out, because they have to stop right there on the engine. Just didn't look right. So opening it and then transition the engine to go down inside there a little bit. Thought it looked nicer. Yeah, so there's that. Then I made this interesting little grill, which will be cast in clear and fits inside that like that. Has a neat look to it. As well as this little, we'll call them ion engines for lack of better terms, has these little parts that fit like that as well. So again, kind of a cool look. Of course, you've seen the grill, you know. This will light up blue in here, and we'll have another plate that says the name of the vehicle on it, probably spinner, that lights up from the back side. So anyways, so that's it so far. I'm going to transition this to this here, onto this piece here, and then have it run up to here. This is the top. As you can see, we got a bunch of greebles here. A lot of the stuff is gonna have like a screen mesh cover that kind of covers it, so I can put some blue underlighting on it. That's it for now, and I'll keep you in touch with how everything's going on. This will be a kit, by the way, in case you're wondering. It's an old design. I did it back in the 80s. I rented it to music video, a Queen Latifah video, I think it was. And, sorry, glasses. Queen Latifah video, and they busted the plexi dome because the whole design, the early design, was based on the shape of that dome that I made, which is sort of a teardrop shape a little bit. It just wasn't round, it was more or less oval shape. So they cracked it right down the middle. So to me, the model wasn't any good. I think I gave it to somebody. So this is a newer version, a little bit bigger, you know, maybe about a third bigger than the original one. So we'll make it look a little better, cooler, more interesting interior. I guess that's to come. So that's it for now. See you later. Bye.